Hey, what's going on? I'm Mike from 1A Auto, and I'm going to show you how to remove a door panel on this 2001 Lexus GS300, pretty much the same for any 98 to 2005. First, you'll need a hooked pick tool, and just go in behind and pull this panel off. And now there are 8 Phillips screws to remove, one right behind that panel, one inside here. There's one right below your door pull here, one with a bumper on it there, and then 4 right up underneath. Phillips screwdriver to remove those. And for a bunch of these, you could use an 8mm socket and ratchet. All right, now there's a few clips in the front and the back, so just put your, you usually just use your fingers. You might want to use a flat blade screwdriver, but just pull firmly and they release. Okay. And then once you've released all those and it's kind of loose, you want to almost twist the top so that this will go by here, pull out, but also pull on this so the top comes up, and then rotate it up, slide it back, pull the top out and off, and then in behind there are the 2 cables for your door handle. Pull them out, and then pull that up and out like that. Same thing here, pull it out. And then this one goes down and comes out. And then 2 electrical connections, push on the tab. Disconnect. And then down here the tab is right at the bottom. Push on the tab. Disconnect. Oh, one more. And then way down at the bottom, again, a little tab, push and disconnect. Reinstall the door panel. There's 3 electrical connectors, the courtesy light way down at the bottom, our master power window switch right in the middle, and then our power door lock switch up here at the top. And then these go in, this first one goes from the bottom. From the bottom and then up and around. This one goes in from the top and then pushes in. And then tilt the back of the panel up. Push the front in first. And then as you go forward, bring the panel down and on and lock those clips into place. The larger screw that has no bolt head goes in behind here, and then the rest of them are the Phillips screw and 8mm bolts. I always like to start them all first before I tighten them up. That just makes sure that they're all lined up. And then when you tighten them, you don't have to tighten them tight, just get them snug so you know they're holding. You don't want to strip the plastic clips they go into. This plastic cover, put it in place, kind of push the front in first, snap it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.